What's up guys, Happy Droid. This is just a little update for the ParaTek version 9. I've just released a new firmware update, so basically this video is just to show you how to download it. There was a previous update, version 1.1. You may already have it, you may not, but regardless if you have that update to this one, because there was a couple of bugs that I missed in the previous update, which concerned normal word mode and the 8-ball mode. It wasn't clearing the old text from the screen properly, so it's just a little update to fix that, and also a couple of add-ons as well. So basically all you have to do is go to the website. I'll leave a link in the description. Go and download the firmware file. It's basically just a little file that you download, put on your desktop or something like that. If you can do this on your phone as well if you wish. It's entirely up to you. The process is exactly the same. So you'll end up with this little file. Don't rename it, don't do anything to it, just leave it there. Okay, so next step, all we want to do is go to the device and enter into the hotspot mode. The web GUI is called in the menu, and it will show you this screen. Simply connect to the network. It's called ParaTek V9. Down here we'll see it here. So once you're connected to that, simply go to your browser, open up the browser and type in this number. It basically tells you here as well, just in case you don't know. And once you do that, this page should open. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the file manager. This is super easy to do, there's nothing really complex about it. And then click upload. And then all you want to do is find the file that that you downloaded. It's called firmware.bin here. Just click it, and then you're going to see it uploading here. That's it physically uploading to the device now, and that's basically it. That's all you have to do, and then you have to exit out of this, otherwise it will freeze. So just exit out of there, and it's going to go back here, and then you can simply just exit here, and then all you want to do is go back to the main menu. So you can press and hold the screen, it basically brings you back to the main menu. Go to settings and find update firmware. Here it is here, update firmware. Clicking here is going to warn you basically that it's going to do an update, and press on the start. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Just let it do its thing. Don't mess with it, don't power it off. And that is basically it. Once it restarts, that's you on your new firmware, and everything is good. So that's basically, guys, that's how to update it like that. If you don't want to do through the web GUI, you can take the card out. It's a little bit finicky to get that out. Just be very careful. The SD cards are quite fragile. You may need something like a little flathead screwdriver or something like that. I wouldn't recommend doing it this way, but you can. It's just a little bit finicky getting this in here. If you don't line that up properly, the SD card will end up falling inside the case, and then you'll have to open it. That's why I don't recommend you doing it this way. It was never intended that you have access to this. I only added this port here just in case, for example, the SD card broke or something like that. You can easily replace it yourself. You don't have to mess about opening it and stuff like that. So that's why that's here. That's why it has the web GUI, so you can do all this kind of stuff over the Wi-Fi. You can do this over your phone as well, so it's the same process. Just connect to the Wi-Fi and click on the, enter the IP address. It's super simple to do, nothing complex about it. Open a file manager and then just upload the file, and that's it on the card. It basically does it wirelessly, so you don't have to mess about with it or anything like that. Anyway, super simple to do. I would highly recommend you update if you don't have it already, and that basically solves a couple of problems. In the previous update, there was also another app added. There was the seance mode. Where is it? This mode here. So it's basically like a little, it cycles through all the letters and typical Ouija board style stuff, and if you touch on the screen, it will react to static or EMF. So if I put this next to the wall socket, it will trigger it, and basically if it indexes something from the word bank, it will use that word, or it may stop on like goodbye, for example. So then it's then populated in the history. You have to wait till the screen goes cycles again before you can go into the history. is basically the history in here. So that adds that mode as well. There's also another couple of refinements to the battery life as well. So basically made it a little bit more eco-friendly. So the battery should last between 4 to 5 hours, depending on what you're doing. You can also adjust the brightness and stuff like that to make it last a little bit longer as well. So 5 hours is an absolute maximum push. If you do notice a battery does go to 0%, just recharge it then. It won't last much more than that. There's a little bit of, how can I explain it? There's a little bit of overhead. It's just the way I calibrated the battery. So when you are charging, it goes to 100%. The minute you unplug that, it'll drop down to about 95, 92%. That is just the initial current from these boards. They're not that accurate for detecting the battery voltage, so it's kind of done in a more safe way. That way, when you're charging, you're not overcharging the battery, stuff like that. It's just a little bit of safety overhead. So in reality, it only really charges up to 95%, and that's just a battery management thing anyway. Some people have noted that a median jump from 100% to like 95, 92% was a little bit concerning, but it's a completely normal thing. Don't worry about that whatsoever. It's just the way the battery management's done. It's done safely, so you don't have to worry about dead batteries and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, I'm waffling on. This is already 6 minutes long, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Okay, bye the now.